Okay, here's the deal, ma'am. I'm sentencing you to 48 hours in jail.
Oh.
Jail. Hey, yeah, you want longer?
We're in Belton, Texas for a child visitation hearing. 38-year-old Alan Wayne Kelly is seeking additional time and unsupervised visits with his 18-month-old daughter, who lives with her mother, his ex-girlfriend, 41-year-old Sarah Gillette. Gillette's recently denied Kelly unsupervised visits because she claims he has anger issues, as well as a history of drug use. Also, Kelly served a year in prison back in 2017 for assaulting Gillette's then 10-year-old daughter from a previous relationship. Today, Kelly and Gillette appear without attorneys before Judge Michael Nelson to discuss Kelly's request to spend more time with the child, including unsupervised visits. State Attorney Laura Hubbard starts the hearing with some questions for Gillette.
As far as visitation goes, has Mr. Kelly been visiting with?
Yes, he has.
And how does currently have insurance?
So I do have Medicaid, and then he does provide some insurance, and I would like an opportunity to speak. I'm sorry, Your Honor, but to speak on some bills.
Ma'am. All you gotta do is listen to the question and answer the question. You don't get to elaborate. Thank you.
Next, Jana Gustafson from Child Services questions the witness.
Did you allow him to see her unsupervised?
Yes, for a period of time.
And was there a reason you stopped those visits?
Yes, I had gone by his work to give him a Father's Day gift, and his anger was exposed. He threw it in the car.
So after Father's Day, you did not allow Mr. Kelly to see again, is that right?
That is correct.
Next, Gustafson questions Kelly.
Since you got off parole, have you had any more trouble where you got arrested or any more trouble with the law?
No.
At this point in time, you haven't had any trouble with alcohol or drugs?
Nope.
Do you know what Ms. Gillette is referring to when she said that you displayed anger?
Yes. You want me to explain?
Can you tell me what your perception as to what happened that day?
So.
Objection.
Okay, stop. Hold up. What's the objection, ma'am?
So we weren't allowed to elaborate whenever I was on stand.
Okay, here's the deal, ma'am. Oh, that's not a proper objection. I know you're not a lawyer, ma'am, but I am.
Okay.
And that's not a legal objection, ma'am. So it's overruled. You may answer the question, Mr. Kelly. Thank you.
On that day, I did get upset because she just shows up at my work unannounced, and they were having to call the cops on her because she was acting out and acting a fool.
Objection. No proof. You're just lying on stand, and
I'm getting ready to put you in a breakout room and not let you participate in this, ma'am, okay?
When things calm down, Kelly's live-in fiancée, 50-year-old Karina Johnson, is called to the stand.
What has been your general observations of those visits, ma'am? What have you seen?
That he is a great father to her and very attentive to her. He makes sure she is well taken care of.
Judge Nelson then asks each party to make a final statement.
I'm an amazing mom. He's a first-time dad. I really pray that the court hears me and puts a modified version to where she's not overnight until she has words. And I don't think it's a good idea to have non-family members in the home.
All right, Mr. Kelly, your turn, sir.
What I really want is to be able to see my daughter, obviously. I know that I can take care of her. My mindset is in a better place. And I can do co-parenting. It's not hard.
Before the judge makes his ruling, Kelly has a final question.
Karina's allowed to be around her, right?
There's no restriction about either party having people around the child at this point. And
I have an issue with her. She's trash.
Ms. Gillette, get back here, now!
Sorry, I thought it was muted. I apologize.
No, it was not, Ms. Gillette. Here's the deal, Ms. Gillette. That's gonna cost you...
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
That was getting ready to cost you a weekend in jail.
No, I apologize. I do. I thought I was muted.
Okay.
And I mean, everyone has an opinion. I apologize.
You're not allowed to give your opinion in my courtroom, ma'am, and this is my courtroom.
He
Understood?
gave an opinion as well.
Okay, here's the deal, ma'am. I'm sentencing you to 48 hours in jail.
Oh,
Jail. You hear? Hey, yeah, you want longer? Shoot for it. I'm gonna find you in contempt. I'm sending you to 48 hours in jail. I'm gonna hold that in abatement. Anything comes up over the next couple of weeks, before this thing comes final, I will order you to start serving that sentence. This is my court of law. You don't get to come in here and try to rush out over me. I will not allow it. You understand, ma'am? Do you understand?
yes, Your Honor, I do. I truly apologize to your court.
Not do anything to make me enforce that order or take that abatement off, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Unless you want to spend 48 hours in Bell County Jail.
2 months later, the judge ruled that Kelly will be granted additional unsupervised visitation time. And Gillette made it through the abatement period without incident and did not serve any jail time. The case is now closed.